Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome lag and improve its performance on your PC. If Chrome is running slowly, freezing, or taking too long to load websites, these tips can help speed it up. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Performance from the left-hand side. Make sure Memory Saver is turned on. This helps Chrome free up memory from inactive tabs, improving overall performance. Next, turn on Energy Saver if you're using a laptop and want Chrome to reduce resource usage when your battery is low. Now, click on System from the left-hand menu. Turn off the option labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Then click Relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the change. After Chrome restarts, open Settings again. Click on Privacy and Security, then select Delete Browsing Data. Choose Cached Images and Files. You can also select browsing history and cookies and other site data if you don't mind clearing them. Click Delete Data. Next, click on Extensions by typing Chrome//extensions into the address bar and pressing Enter. Disable or remove any extensions you no longer use, as too many extensions can slow down Chrome. Finally, make sure Chrome is up to date. Go to Settings, click About Chrome, and allow Chrome to check for updates. If an update is available, install it and restart the browser. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Google Chrome lag and improve its performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.